Okay, so this is the second strategy that we're going to use today. This is a hundreds chart. So when we look at the hundreds chart, we can see very clearly on this one that when we go down the hundreds chart, we add 10 more each time. The easiest spot to see that right here is with the groups of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We know that we're adding another group of 10 each time. So if I wanted to have one group of 10 more, I could just go down. And if I wanted to have 10 less, I know that I could go up. Oops, I skipped too quick. Sorry. I could just go up. That works anywhere on the chart. So if I started with, for instance, 23, I know that if I keep going down, I'm going to have 10 more, 23, 33, 43, 53. But if I go up, I'm going to have 10 less. 13, 3. Notice that the ones over here never changes. The only thing that changes is the tens. I'm going to say it again. Notice that the ones does not change, but the tens does. Okay. So what we're going to start by doing is finding a number of interest. On this number, on this chart, our number is 68. So you can see the red circle there for 68. Now, if I wanted to know 10 less than 68, I would need to go straight up just one spot, because I know that this is a group of 10s, or these are all just groups of 10s, 8, and then 10 more than 8 is 18, and then 10 more than 18 is 28. So if I'm looking at 68 here, and I want 10 less, I know I go up 1, and that gives me 58. Now, if I'm at my number of interest, 68, and I want 10 more, I know that I need to go down. So 68 and then 10 more would be 78. That's right. You can see it there in the purple circle. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so the number of interest here for us is 44. I want 10 less and 10 more. See if you can do that without my help. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so 10 less, we're going to go straight up to find 10 less, and that's going to be 34. And then 10 more, I'm going to go straight down, adding one group of 10, and I'm going to have 54. Notice that the ones never changes, just the tens change. All right, and here's our last one. Our number of interest is going to be 8. I want 10 less than 8. Hang on, is that even possible? Can I take 10 out of 8? No, I don't have enough. If you had 8 cupcakes and 10 friends, guess what? 2 friends are going to be hungry on this day because you do not have enough. So I can't have 10 less than 8. Now, when you get older and you get into other classes, you're going to learn about negative numbers and how there's numbers on both sides. But in first grade, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to worry about the numbers that are on this side of the number line. So for us in first grade, I can't take 10 less from 8 because I only have 8. But I can do 10 more. What's 8 plus 10? Well, that's going to be 18 for me, and look how it's right below it. Did the ones change? Not at all. We just had our tens change. Okay, thank you for listening. And I know that it's weird that this is in like 2 parts, this video, but that was the best I could do with screencast file. I'm sorry. Thank y'all for listening. Have a good day.